In the spirit of Thanksgiving, the Food Channel presents a very special edition of Cookin' with Kenny and James, filmed on location at the Have a Heart Rescue Mission, with your hosts, Kenny Rogers, and the godfather of soul food, Mr. James Brown Jr. And featuring Spoon Tang and the James Brown Jr. Quartet.
Riri, Doodle, take it!
Here we go.
Wow!
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. You know, Mama Rogers used to always tell me to think of folks less fortunate at least one time a year. Hi! That's why we're here cooking Thanksgiving dinner for all these poor folks down on their luck.
Hey! Snoopy, Razy, Lazy, Roro! Boom!
Let's eat! Hi, hold on, old timer. The first thing we gotta do is show the folks at home the secret to cooking a good turkey. Hi, guys! What's the secret to cooking a good turkey?
Know some cat? Sick, cooking, good, top, tick, top, stop the bird!
I love a good stuffing. Don't you, Fatisha?
And how?
Hi, guys! What are the ingredients to a good stuffing?
Well, cousin, first you want to add a little bit of brown sugar. And cider better. Hoodoo, and the hoodoo. Breadcrumb. And a little bit of, I love this, the Lebanese hash.
Hey, where's the damn food?
Keep your shirt on, Donald Trump! I'm just kidding. Now we need to knead the ingredients. Hey, how's about some kneading music? Hey, guys, why'd you go fetching them turkeys?
Go get turkey. Go, can't wait, put turkey on. All right. Put turkey on the head. Now do the rubber chicken.
All right, we got some hungry people here, so we're gonna have to speed things up. Hey, James, throw me one of them turkeys. Uh-oh. Whoopsie daisy. Dirty bird. It's a good thing I'm cooking instead of playing football.
Hey, but that little boo-doo-doo. Butterball.
All right, let's get the stuff. This is my favorite part. A couple handfuls ought to do it. Hey, where's my stuffing music? Yeah, that's right. Get a wide way up in there.
Come on! Quit fisting our dinner and give us some grub!
All right. And now the next thing we gotta do is pop this here baby in the oven.
Finally!
Now here's the secret to a good turkey. It's a low cooker. In just 6.5 hours, we're gonna have ourselves one tender bird.
6.5 hours? We can't wait! We want to eat now!
Hey, James, now might be a good time to show the folks at home the finished product.
Thank you, but ready now.
Ain't that a pretty picture? And that's what I call a bum rush.
Happy Thanksgiving. I need some more hash.